pleasant day, everyone. I am Manat Algamen from B.Ed 2B, and today I'm going to discuss and perform the volleyball referee hand signals. Now, let's proceed to the 10 volleyball referee hand signals I choose, which is serve, balls out, line violation, over the net serve, illegal attack, illegal block or screening, ball touch, double contact, and lastly, balls in. Serve or authorization to serve. So, extend the arm and the serving team side of the net shoulder height with a perpendicular to the floor and facing forward, blow the whistle, then sweep the extended arm across the chest to the opposite shoulder. Balls out. This is a wide point, or extend the arm to the team or earn point raise. Both hands just in front the head, bent at 90-degree angle, shoulder width apart, the palm open toward the face. Number 3, line violation. This is a wide point. Extend the arm at 45-degree angle while pointing with the index finger at the line on the side of the team at fault. Number 4, over the net. This is a wide point. Using the arm on the side that committed the fault with forearm and in front palm facing the floor, passing over the net. Net serve, which is a wide point. Extend the arm and the side of the team that committed the fall straight out from the shoulder palm parallel to the net. Illegal attack, a wide point. Using the arm on the side of the team that committed the fall, raise the hand beside the head, palm facing forward. Illegal block or screaming, a wide point. Raise both hands to head height out to the sides, slightly in front of the body palms, facing forward. 8. Ball touch. This is a hard point. Hands on the offensive team side at head height, arm at 90-degree angle with palm towards the face, with the other hand brush upward across the fingertips at one time. Double contact. A wide point. Extend the arm and the side of the team that committed the fall. Show two fingers. Number 10. Balls in, lands inbound. A wide point, extend the arm and the side where ball has landed point to the floor area between the net and the attack line. Did you get it, the 10? Okay.